Okay, so welcome to VG Cloud Digital Lab. And in this tech blog, we're gonna just go over a few things, right? And for those of you guys who are following the bill and the setup, on there we have smtvs.com, our site, that's a media site. And there's a lot of things in smtvs.com like IPTV messaging system and that community. And being that I'm a programmer, maybe I'm selfish in my ways that I'm not linking no other programmers out there to come and assist me or collaborate with me in creating the software, but that's all based upon money thing. But so I had, over the years, studied a lot of different things to create messengers, store, to create generators. But the generator wasn't really like a program that was like intended to say be into administrative system always in our media platform. But actually all those functions that I created and all that thing that's happening, adding player to pages and stuff like that. And we are building the software now when we might be using the regular HTML players and certain things now, but on the final deployment of the program, and we're going to be working in the back end part on how to integrate some APIs into the system that will even deliver even more custom quality players, add players. I shot at adding the arcs in the computer now to create, but okay, we did a lot of stuff, and all the other stuff that's not even there is gonna be there, right? And so we should get to over to Dark Gold, the alternate media cloud platform, right? And it's the ultimate. It's the ultimate in the ways that I'm picking nits and bits from every media platform that I know, being as a musician in music, video, and a lot of things, and even right down to the end of it, planning on having a full-blown video, whether it be AI powered video system and um, audio editing and multi-track recording, and even integrating the fact that the artist could come and use the AI to create a song from one word, right? By simple enter your lyrics in there, and the AI basically will create a song. So we're gonna get to all of those things, right? But let's talk about some of the new things that I just put in, and we're gonna talk about some of the old stuff that was there, right? And I hope you guys take the time to sit and look. So I went over to YouTube today and was playing around and adding these lives inside there. But we also have a real live now, I actually asked the AI to build a live for me. I mean, I'm really on some serious grounds. Okay, so let's first go ahead and browse the community, right? So we're gonna browse the community, and not much in the community. We have a lot of lives in the community. No video. We have audio. No. We have live. Yes. We have gallery. One gallery thing happening, right? We have store. One store thing happening, right? All right. Let's look at that store thing because I don't know what it did or whatever. So we had a store thing happening now. And okay, I was wondering where did it put it? You know what I mean? On a real end, because I asked it. Okay, add some of these stuff for me. So you see this now? It had links and Facebook and Twitter, and that stuff. That's kind of cool. And this is the prototype storefront. But don't worry, the store can be much more than that, and you're gonna see why. Okay, so um, let's get started and go in. So now you come into the dashboard, and the dashboard display the tools and everything. We got a community feed that's happening, right? Okay, and then we go back to dashboard. Okay, so we have a page managing system, right? That will manage all your page, back to dashboard again. We have an administrative panel. Now that's there now, newly added to do all the stuff, content, website. We have new website builder like that also available now in the system. Okay, so let's go down, and now I have every user gonna have their own personal channel. So this channel is gonna be improved because I just actually just build the first one, and a few information, analyzing a lot of things that's going on, knowing that your content comments and subscribers and the posts. I exit so you can make a post directly from here. You can write a message, right? That kind of way, right? Recent comment, top content, total views, right? Watch time, subscribers, and total likes, right? So I thought about all that stuff while I talked to the AI, right? Okay, so let's go down. So we'll come from the channel, and then we could come from the channel now. We hit dashboard. So we're not going back to the dashboard. We can show you the video page now. So in video now, we added the not we, well we really and truly me and the AI because I did the first set. I said to AI, hey, you know what you need to do? Have me have a site upload, and it did this. It rewrote the video generator and gave me a new one from the previous one that was there, right? And I come and I see URL upload now, and I click on this and I see live. So if you have your camera at home and stuff like that, you can actually record live stream now into the system too, right? That's a good thing. All right, another piece. We still have the audio stuff going on here, right? And then we still got our live TV happening, and we got our gallery builder that build gallery, and we have the store creator that will create storefront. And as you know, we have the PayPalers and all this stuff. So the new addition is going to come to this is to add a sandbox account secret, so that you can enter your secret, so you can do your transaction through Sandbox. But if you don't have that, you can enter your PayPal email, and it'll go cash out after you make your page or your store, right? We got a blog creator, right, to create blogs in the system. We're going to work more on where the blog is displayed, right? Because when I click on a real blog in the system, it showed that that page was removed or whatever. Well, maybe also for many reasons we're not getting that. So we got a media library was created now. So you can upload to the media library, or you can draw from plus a URL. Okay, so you can actually, I guess I talked about something like FTP to the system. So it added that you can draw, I guess, a link, whatever, the video from an actual URL and bring it in. Okay. So we did that blog stuff and the store creator, all right? And no, then we get to the website builder. So he gave us a website builder here, right? So this is more like in a beta fashion right now, and it would be muchly improved over a period of time, you know, as the AI agent is learning what I'm doing. I have about a couple of different versions of this program, but I choose out of all of them to use this one, right? Because it was the last build, and I try to update and give it all the stuff that I need. Now the one them can be created. There's a free version one, the very thing I created. Unfortunately, you can't get. Well, the page building is. Oh, so this is a cool one, right? That I put in, and it is saying to me it's in beta. So most likely when I upgrade and do my stuff, I'm gonna get a professional one in there. Because I'm on free service and I'm asking for stuff that they are saying, even who are reading the air in the background, that these stuff. So when I go fully up, they will because I said, could you install a template plugin system for me, and so I can get like templates from site like Wix and others, and it built me this. And I also said to the program, yes, buy and free template, because I'm trying to build a program that can interact with other sites that are having templates for sale. You know, so you are a template company, and I'm here building a program that you can, when SMTVS launches an SMTVS network, will be in partnership with those companies that they can make sale to smtvs.com or offer our user the use of the free template, sort of like a WordPress type thing, right? And in the future, can see me talking to the AI about creating more other types of plugin, right? So this is our first plugin I asked created in my old web career, that I asked AI to create a plugin in my thing for me, so we can plug templates in. Okay, so at this moment, it's just doing this. What I'm gonna come back and said, build a way for us to install template, upload template and install template in the system. That's the next talk we're going to talk to you about, right? So it's in beta now. Okay, so we covered a template and we still got caption, right? Closed caption going on, and we got capture and frame. Now, this particular capture and frame thing does work, but one thing is missing from it, an actual capture button, because I don't really like when you stop the video the last time, it's not doing that. So I must ask them, install a capture button. So anyway in the video I click that capture button, it captures that frame, right? Simple like that. And this is the one that's building onto the video editing. Will end up being the video editor where you can capture. First, I'm working with the capture, then I'll be asking to enter a canvas for me and talk a little bit more about what I want to happen on the canvas, right? Okay, so we come down to the community and we got community feed, right? Okay, you guys, community feed, right? And now I talk to this right here. This is a unique search engine. First, I asked the AI, I want a meta search engine, but I wanted to search video, audio, shop, and everything. And I also wanted to have the www features built in it too, so you can search. So it sort of look out at the web for stuff too, right? I've not tried it out yet, but that's what I said to it. So I'm going to shape all that I asked to build into my first search engine. Whoa, I own a search engine now. All right, and page management system that's delivered there. Okay, so we did the file manager and the file manager system, right? And now we set up our account settings inside there as well, right? So we can definitely make changes and stuff like that, right? Okay, account setting and yes, and I asked to put in, excuse me, a real support center, inside there. 'Cause everyone know you need a support center and even frequent ask question in a support center. So you guys, thanks for doing my updates right now and go back to administration panel. Um, what I'm doing to the program and what I have intention to do more to the program. We can go back home right here, and it's sort of like a community that you'll be able to come in and join for free. But of course, along the way, you can pay for more stuff. All the stuff you're seeing as a free member, you're not going to really get a fully used to use, but you will get quite a lot of stuff to use that you can really just build video page, build free websites, and all that stuff. So all that stuff going to happen because SMTBS is a company, so you're now looking at SMTBS Dark Gold Media Studio. If you go to SMTBS, we got a studio link there, and in the future we will go there. And so we're gonna do some more another apps that sort of connect to this app, rebuild SMTBS itself as an apps that runs fully like an apps. I know that somewhere along the line we make the decision whether we're gonna stay on the server that I'm on or move directly over into the cloud environment, right? Because I'm like a top-notch developer, and well, to talk about it still, I live in Jamaica, and then we live at Jamaica standard, so sort of, for whatever reason, we don't have that much power to power up right away like everybody else, but we are powering up in a small ways. We're going to line up the company so we'll have a lot of sponsors come over and sponsor SMTV's journey, and they'll be getting a lot. We intend to integrate full ad advertisement system inside there. You know what I mean? So in anything that you see available in any website, you know what I mean, it's just straight across the board. But I'm getting the main stuff going on right now. So thanks for viewing SMTVS from the VGA development house software that we are developing for SMTVS and for creators. And we have a few different dark world system there where you can really buy and install. We have a dark world, what you call a media host management system that you're going to get. It's like a website management. So once you install it, you can do everything there. Look at your folders, everything. You know what I mean? That's so if you just want a pure media site, You don't really need a regular website administration. Everything will just be transferred, and we'll set it in a way that if you have your web mail and all that stuff, is easily transferred over into it, right? So those are all the intricate stuff that I'm going to work on, right? Cool. You guys take care. And this is a VGA blog, right? All right. So VGA, when we give it to you, AI ops development.